In the previous videos, we talked about why data management gets stuck and why technology alone does not solve the problem. So the natural next question is simple. If technology is just the ticket to entry, what actually makes data management sustainable? The answer is not another platform, it is an operating model. A sustainable data operating model defines how data is owned, how it is produced, how it is maintained, and how it evolves over time, independently of specific tools. The first element is clear ownership, not ownership of systems, ownership of data products. Someone must be accountable for definitions, quality, and availability. When numbers change, there is no debate about who decides. This is what reduces friction, and this is what builds trust. The second element is separation of concerns. Operational systems are optimized for transactions. Analytics platforms are optimized for analysis. When those roles are mixed, complexity explodes. A sustainable model creates a clear analytical layer. Transformations live upstream, logic is reused, reports stop being mini data pipelines. The third element is analyst enablement. Analysts should not depend on tickets for every change. They should be able to explore data safely, learn the tools, understand the models, and become productive quickly. If analysts cannot become effective within weeks, the model will not scale. The fourth element is documentation by design, not as an afterthought. Definitions, data lineage, business meaning. If knowledge only lives in people's heads, the system is fragile. Documentation is what allows continuity when people change. The fifth element is operational governance. Not heavy committees, lightweight routines, monitoring, access control, quality checks, clear escalation paths. Governance should support speed, not block it. And finally, a sustainable model is evolutionary. It does not aim for perfection. It aims for the next stable step, one that reduces dependency, improves trust, and increases resilience. From a CFO or CIO perspective, this is what really matters. Lower key person risk, predictable costs, faster response times, and systems that survive organizational change. This is also where early decisions matter. Choosing providers who transfer knowledge, choosing tools that people can actually learn, and designing the operating model before complexity locks in. Because once dependency is built into the system, changing direction becomes expensive. A sustainable data operating model is not about controlling data. It is about making the organization less dependent on individuals and more dependent on well-designed systems. That is when data stops being a constant problem and starts becoming a real asset.